Look, he's spending time with Papa Sir. No more smiles? As soon as Mommy grabs the video camera?
No.
Oh, there we go.
Alright.
Hey. No.
No. Nope, no smiles. Talk to my agent.
You were all smiles for Papa Sir. And as
You
soon as...
haven't met all my demands for performance.
Yeah, you have a performance rider? 10 pages long?
Yeah.
Where's my blue M&Ms only?
Yeah.
And I need room temperature water.
And get the poo out of my pants.
Aww. Well, now I got the video camera and he's up.
Got his head, hold his head up, his bobbing every which way.
Big yawn.
He can hold his head.
He's got good neck control.
We should put his head next to Dad's and send it to Tom and say, almost as big.
Should we do that real quick? Should we take a quick big head picture?
No. It scares me.
Your head's never going to be as big as Papa Sir's or Mommy's.
Yeah. I would be scared by that big head. You want to come and see Monica? There we go.
Do we?
Say hi, Monica. Hey, Monica.
This is Ray Jr.
You also need
Oh, I got one. Over here.
Getting his hand ready. Come here, Monica.
Monica walks away.
so. There you go.
Aww.
Hey, Grant. Who's Nana's baby? Grant? Grant? Grant?
He's
not
looking.
taking his eyes off Monica. Come here,
Yeah,
Monica.
he's looking at Monica.
Monica. Come here, kitty kitty. Come on, right next to the baby. Ooh, look at that, Grant.
Kind of like Indy, huh?
Not quite.
So does Indy pay attention to him?
Yes, he does. He... Aw, is that your Papa Sir?